The concept of ancient, advanced civilizations has fascinated humanity for centuries, leading to numerous theories and speculative narratives about the origins and nature of such civilizations. One of the more intriguing and debated theories within science fiction and speculative history is the idea that the Forerunners, a technologically superior species often depicted in various fictional universes, were in fact human all along. This concept challenges traditional views of human history, evolution, and potential. It also opens up a plethora of discussions around genetics, archaeology, mythology, and the interpretation of ancient texts and artifacts. Historical context. The idea that humans once achieved a level of technological advancement far surpassing what is currently documented in historical records is not new. Throughout history, many cultures have myths and legends of advanced beings, or gods, who possessed knowledge and technology far beyond that of ordinary humans. These myths often describe catastrophic events that led to the downfall of these civilizations, wiping out their knowledge and reducing humanity to a more primitive state. In modern times, these myths have been reinterpreted through the lens of speculative science, giving rise to theories about lost civilizations like Atlantis or advanced ancient cultures such as the Sumerians and Egyptians, whose accomplishments still baffle modern scientists. The Forerunners, as a fictional representation, draw heavily from these historical and mythical narratives, presenting a species whose technological and cultural achievements far exceed current human capabilities. The Forerunners in fiction. In many fictional universes, such as the popular Halo series, the Forerunners are depicted as an ancient and highly advanced race that existed long before the rise of modern humanity. They are often credited with creating vast megastructures, advanced technologies, and complex social systems. In these narratives, the Forerunners typically meet a tragic end, often due to hubris or external threats, leaving behind remnants of their civilization for future species to discover. The theory that the Forerunners were human suggests that these narratives might not be entirely fictional, but rather based on a distorted or forgotten history of an ancient human civilization that reached extraordinary technological heights before collapsing. This collapse could have been caused by natural disasters, wars, or other catastrophic events, leading to a loss of knowledge and a regression into a more primitive state. Genetic evidence. One of the key arguments for the Forerunners being human is the potential genetic evidence that might suggest a lineage of humans possessing advanced capabilities. Proponents of this theory often point to anomalies in the human genome that could indicate the presence of advanced traits or a different evolutionary path that was abruptly altered or suppressed. For example, certain genetic markers that appear to serve no current purpose could be remnants of a once active set of genes responsible for advanced cognitive abilities, physical resilience, or even extended lifespans. If these markers could be accurately dated to a period that predates known human history, it would lend credence to the idea that an advanced human civilization once existed and that the Forerunners were indeed human. Archaeological discoveries. Archaeology provides another avenue for exploring the possibility of an advanced ancient human civilization. Numerous unexplained structures and artifacts around the world, such as the Great Pyramids of Giza, Stonehenge, and the underwater ruins off the coast of Yonaguni in Japan, have fueled speculation about lost advanced civilizations. If these structures were indeed created by an ancient advanced human civilization, it would suggest that the Forerunners narrative is not purely fictional, but based on real historical events. Advanced construction techniques, precise astronomical alignments, and the use of materials with properties not fully understood today all point to a level of sophistication that challenges conventional archaeological understanding. Mythological and religious texts. Many mythological and religious texts contain references to beings with extraordinary knowledge and power, often described as gods or demigods. These texts could be interpreted as allegorical accounts of a time when humans themselves possessed such attributes. For instance, the Sumerian king list describes reigns lasting thousands of years, which some interpret as a reference to a time when humans had much longer lifespans, possibly due to advanced medical or genetic technologies. Similarly, the biblical account of the Nephilim, who were said to be the offspring of the sons of God and the daughters of men, might be interpreted as a reference to an interbreeding between advanced humans and less advanced populations, resulting in beings of great strength. Technological implications. If the Forerunners were human, the implications for our understanding of technology and its development are profound. It would suggest that humanity has already achieved and then lost a level of technological sophistication far beyond what we currently possess. This raises questions about the cyclical nature of technological progress and the potential for humanity to reach and surpass such levels again. Furthermore, it would prompt a re-evaluation of current technological pursuits, as remnants of this lost technology could still exist, waiting to be rediscovered. The possibility of reverse engineering ancient technologies to accelerate current advancements is an enticing prospect for scientists and technologists alike. Societal and cultural impact. The realization that the Forerunners were human would have a significant impact on societal and cultural perceptions of history and progress. It would challenge the linear narrative of human development, suggesting instead that civilization is more of a complex, cyclical process with periods of rapid advancement followed by decline. This perspective could lead to a greater emphasis on preserving knowledge and technology, learning from past mistakes, and preparing for potential future declines. It might also foster a sense of unity and shared heritage, as all of humanity would be seen as descendants of a once great civilization with a collective responsibility to rebuild and surpass previous achievements. Ethical and philosophical considerations. The ethical and philosophical implications of discovering that the Forerunners were human are vast. It would prompt a re-evaluation of what it means to be human, the potential for human achievement, and the responsibilities that come with such capabilities. Questions about the ethical use of advanced technology, the preservation of knowledge, and the prevention of future collapses would become paramount. Philosophically, it would challenge notions of human exceptionalism and the idea that humanity is the pinnacle of evolution. If humans have risen and fallen before, it suggests a more humble and cautious approach to our current trajectory, emphasizing sustainability, resilience, and long-term planning. Future research directions. The hypothesis that the Forerunners were human opens several avenues for future research. Interdisciplinary studies combining genetics, archaeology, and anthropology could provide more concrete evidence of advanced ancient human civilizations. Modern technology, such as AI and machine learning, could be employed to analyze ancient texts, artifacts, and genetic data to uncover patterns and insights that were previously missed. Explorations into ancient sites with unexplained technologies and structures could be intensified, using advanced imaging techniques like LiDAR to uncover hidden details. Furthermore, theoretical models of societal collapse and technological regression could be developed to understand better how advanced civilizations might fall and what lessons can be learned to prevent future occurrences. Conclusion. The theory that the Forerunners were human all along offers a compelling alternative to conventional views of history and human potential. By exploring genetic evidence, archaeological discoveries, mythological texts, and technological implications, this theory invites a reimagining of humanity's past and future. While speculative, the idea serves as a reminder of the potential heights humanity can achieve and the importance of preserving and learning from our history to build a better future.